In our modern world, artificial intelligence is ever pushing into our lives. But what can artificial intelligence do for us exactly? Here are some of the benefits and drawbacks of artificial intelligence. Let's first start with the overwhelming benefits. Number 1. Efficiency and automation. Artificial intelligence can automate routine, boring jobs so that people can concentrate on more difficult, creative tasks. Various industries, including manufacturing, customer service, healthcare, and finance, benefit from the increased productivity, reduced errors, and improved efficiency brought about by this automation. Number 2. Data analysis and insights. Artificial intelligence algorithms are capable of quickly analyzing large volumes of data to find patterns, trends, and correlations that may be challenging for humans to find. Organizations may make data-driven decisions, streamline operations, and get insightful information for innovation and expansion thanks to this data analysis capacity. Number 3. Personalization. To deliver personalized recommendations, information, and experiences, artificial intelligence-powered systems can examine user preferences, behavior, and historical data. This personalization raises user engagement, boosts user satisfaction, and boosts sales conversion rates. Number 4. Improved healthcare. By enabling more precise and quick diagnosis, personalized treatment plans, and effective patient monitoring, artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize healthcare. In order to enhance patient outcomes and save healthcare costs, machine learning algorithms can analyze medical data, help interpret medical imaging, and anticipate diseases. Number 5. Enhanced customer service. Artificial intelligence chatbots and virtual assistants can offer personalized guidance, 24/7 customer service, and can respond to frequent questions. As a result, customer service experiences are improved overall, response times are shortened, and customer satisfaction is increased. Number 6. Advanced robotics. Autonomous systems and robots driven by artificial intelligence can carry out difficult jobs in sectors including manufacturing, logistics, and agriculture. These robots can perform activities that are dangerous or difficult for people, while also increasing productivity, safety, and precision. Number 7. Natural language processing. Artificial intelligence makes it possible for computers to comprehend and analyze human language, enabling breakthroughs in sentiment analysis, speech recognition, and language translation. Virtual assistants, voice-activated gadgets, language translation services, and accessibility aids can all benefit from this. Number 8. Analytics that forecast future occurrences or results are based on past data analysis and artificial intelligence algorithms. Organizations can use this skill to make educated decisions and reduce risks in a variety of fields, such as financial markets, weather forecasting, supply chain management, and predictive maintenance. While artificial intelligence has many advantages, there are also some problems and difficulties that must be resolved. Here are some significant artificial intelligence drawbacks. Number 1. Job replacement. Artificial intelligence technology has the potential to take over some jobs and functions currently performed by humans. There is concern that as artificial intelligence systems improve, it may result in job losses or necessitate considerable workforce restructuring and retraining. Finding a balance where artificial intelligence enhances human work while also generating new job prospects is crucial. Number 2. Fairness and bias. Since artificial intelligence systems are developed on previous data, they may be biased or prejudiced. Artificial intelligence systems have the potential to reinforce or perpetuate existing societal biases, which could result in unjust or discriminatory outcomes if these biases are not appropriately addressed. A significant difficulty is ensuring fairness, accountability, and openness in artificial intelligence algorithms and decision-making. Number 3. Risks to privacy and security. For operation and training, artificial intelligence systems frequently use enormous volumes of personal data. Unauthorized access, data breaches, or the improper use of sensitive data are risks. Maintaining trust in artificial intelligence systems requires strong security safeguards and privacy protection. Number 4. Human intuition, common sense, and contextual awareness are not present in artificial intelligence systems, which work on patterns and algorithms. They might have trouble making difficult decisions or dealing with circumstances that call for moral judgment, creativity, or empathy. The constraints of artificial intelligence must be carefully considered in order to provide human oversight and, if necessary, intervention. Number 5. Ethics. The use of artificial intelligence creates ethical issues and concerns about issues like who is responsible for the activities of the artificial intelligence, who is responsible for system failures, and what might happen if artificial intelligence is deployed in other areas. To overcome these obstacles, it is essential to address ethical issues, develop ethical standards, and promote multidisciplinary dialogues. Number 6. Dependence and quality of data. For efficient training and performance, artificial intelligence largely depends on vast volumes of high-quality data. Artificial intelligence results that are erroneous or unreliable can be caused by incomplete or biased data. In order for artificial intelligence systems to be dependable and effective, it is crucial to ensure data availability, quality, diversity, and the elimination of data biases. Number 7. Overdependence. Relying too much on artificial intelligence systems without the necessary human monitoring or critical thought might result in blind faith and dangerous mistakes. It's critical to keep human control and decision-making and to be aware of artificial intelligence limitations. Number 8. Determining the ethical and legal culpability in the event of mistakes, mishaps, or negative results becomes difficult as artificial intelligence systems become more autonomous and capable of making decisions. A persistent issue is developing frameworks for moral and legal accountability in the creation and use of artificial intelligence. In summary, it is significant to emphasize that ethical issues and concerns related to artificial intelligence include privacy, bias, and employment displacement. Because of this, it is essential to develop and implement artificial intelligence technologies in an ethical and responsible manner, taking into account the possible effects on both individuals and society as a whole. To address these issues, researchers, governments, and industry stakeholders must work together to create artificial intelligence technologies that are open, impartial, and consistent with human values. To maximize the benefits of artificial intelligence while reducing its potential downsides, ethical standards, laws, and continued research are crucial.